Hi everyone, this is Praveen Kumar, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science, Autonomous College, and today we are talking about the topic for the BSD system, and we are covered in UI/UX history and design principles, programmer interface, user interface, and process management, memory management, file systems, and input-output system, and inter-process communication. There are all the topics covered in continuous in our videos. And first for the UI/UX history. And first developed in 1969 by Ken Thomas and Dennis Rich of a group of Bill libraries, and 1940 and 1915 a study of human factors and uh, economics begin, and the terms user experience was coined by Don Norman in the 1990s. And the history of UX design includes the study of human factors and ergonomics and the introduction of the graphical user interface because GUI, and Berkeley Software Distribution for the calls to BSD, and several stations project seeks to consolidate the variation flavors of Unix leading to the one programming interfaces to Unix. And the history of versions for we are um, I will told the mind map. This is the 1996 USG and DSG USO USL and first edition. This is for and 1917 and fifth editions. So we have the time period. So 1969 to 1973 to more than break, and 1976 to sixth editions. Early advantage of Unix for written in a high level language and distributed in source from and provide powerful operating system and premise on a inexpensive platform. It is small size and modular and clean design. They are using the more than efficient and user friendly in this platform. And Unix design principles were designed to be a time sharing system. Supports multiple processes. A process can easily create new process, and file system with multi-level tree structured directions, and high priority given to making system interactive and providing faculties and for program development. The program development for the high level language to used and has a simple standard user interface and that can be replaced. So one factor to in factor another factor used in replacement is size is very small. So small modular to the principle used Unix design principles. And programmer interfaces, the kernel, everything below the system calls interface and above the physical hardware. And system programs, there are two types, and system programs use the kernel supported system calls to provide useful functions such as completions and file manipulations, and provides a file system, CPU scheduling and memory management, and others operating system and functions through system calls. And like most computer system, Unix contains of two separate parts. There are the kernel and system programs. This is the users and shell the commands, compilers and interpreter system libraries, and signals terminal handling characters input and output system and terminal device, and the file system swapping block input output system disk and tape device, and CPU scheduling is page replacement, demand paging, virtual memory. And system calls. System calls define the programmer interfaces to Unix, and the programmer and user interface define the context and that the kernel must support. The rough three categories of Unix system calls. There are file manipulations and process control and information manipulations. And thank you so much for watching this video, and another video too I will see that.